Hello guys, welcome back. In this video I'm going to show you how you can easily repost Instagram Reels. Be sure to watch the video to the very end so you don't make any mistakes, and of course do not forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel. So let's begin, and once you are on some reel and you want to repost it, you can do it in different ways. So the first way is hit right here at 3 dots icon that gives you that options. Right here, first off, you can hit at share icon, and then you can share the link to this reel wherever you want. You can use any app from here, you can use any messenger, any social media platform, or you can just hit add copy to copy the link to this reel to the clipboard, and after that you can manually open up any messenger and then send the link. Let me show you how it works. You can just hit at any app. I'm just gonna select Instagram, and now you can select any user from your Instagram contacts in that simple way, and then hit at share to share this reel via Instagram DMs. Also, you can use any messenger, let it be Telegram. In the same way, you can send this link to any user, just like that. You can, I'm just gonna select saved messages. That's it. And also, right from here, you can just hit add a link to copy the link to the clipboard. After that, you can hop out Instagram and open up any messenger manually, and then just paste the link and send it in this simple way. Also, right here you can tap at this airplane icon, and you can share this reel to your story. You can select the first option right here, and now you can rotate this reel. You can pinch to scale it. Let me scale it to that size. Also, you can add there some stickers, some text or whatever, and once you finished with editing this story, you can just hit at send button to share this story with your Instagram followers. And now you can write down in the comments below if you have any questions about that tutorial, and also I recommend you to check out my Instagram tutorials playlist, which you can easily find in the description. Hit the like button if you liked that video, and see you in the next one.